everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and ooh la la, wait till you see this baby. 16 by 76, we call this home the Bancroft. It's gonna start at 86. I'm yelling at you guys, I know I am, I can hear it in my voice. My voice gets loud when I get excited. I don't know what it is, my little guy does it too. But anyways, what a way to start this year. Wait till you see this. Coming in the back door, because it was slim on the other side. I didn't want to squeeze in there. Coming back into a private laundry area. That's going to have a door that closes off that area from the rest of the home. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is just a preview of what Champion is doing next year. We've got the most beautiful things coming. Here's the kitchen. Ooh. Let's do a pan. Urban oak on the cabinets, Glacier Quartzite on the countertops, stainless steel appliances, Nordic white on the floor, and the most noticeable feature, drywall. Shout out to my nail tech, Bella. She's been watching my videos. She says, oh, those are my nails. Yes, they are. We've got east side on the backsplash. It's my fave. We're gonna see that in my house. I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to order. It's gonna be awesome, guys. This is the largest island that we do. Plenty of storage, even though we have the sink in the island and also the dishwasher, you've got all this counter space, right? For you and your family to be able to eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner at. And then when I go to the other side and we take a look at this, lots of seating there too. Wood beams on the ceiling, and those are gonna go throughout the living room. Nice spacious living room while we're talking about it. We've got a drywall package in here. And in that package, you're gonna find 1/2-inch thick drywall. Colonial Cove is what we call those window hangings. Hardwood. Now they upgraded to an urban oak. That is a bit of an upgrade. The ceramic backsplash is gonna be in there. Nice molded white profile trim. It's gonna be in there also. Check out this pantry. Okay. Oh, before the door closes, got it. All right, which way do I want to head? There's so many ways. Okay, well, there's 2 ways, but, oh, I see it already. Look at this big window in this hallway. Oh, mama, that's what I love. Because you can see it from here, right? All of that light is brought in to brighten up your day and to brighten up your hallway. 46 by 61. We also have some window blinds. Those are in the package as well. Here's bedroom number 2. Oh, I am ready to build. And already things are happening. I haven't got to Amir yet, but shout out to Al and Rosie. They called me this morning. They wanted to know how I was staying warm in here. This is what I do. When a home comes across and I see it, I hurry up and run outside. But because it's still warm right off the production line. But I also have some winter fit going on. Here's bath number 2. Nice spacious bathroom for a single wide. Plenty of room to move around in here. Framed out mirrors, another feature of the package. 019 over the commode linen. Standard tub shower. Hi, you see my parka. I took your guys' suggestions for how to stay warm. I've also got these. Ooh, if anybody remembers these, bringing back the leg warmers. Oh, they're so cute. They've enlarged some windows here, I can tell already. 4661s all over the place. We are offering a little bit of a larger window next year, or this year. Hey, we're here. 46 by 73s. And we've got a lot of black stuff coming. Black handles, black hinges, black faucets, perimeter heat, also in the package. I hope you guys enjoy that I point out all these features. I want you to be educated, no matter where you go to purchase your home. By the way, you can purchase direct from the factory, and you get to come and see me. Primary closet. I've already seen quite a few of you this year. You're visiting, we're hanging out, and those that come during the winter months, I know you're serious. I know it. Walk-in shower, 2-seater. This was super impressive. Another 019. Look at this. We've got a deck tub, folks. I put one of those in my house too. There you have it. What a way to kick off the year. Beautiful changes. Some of the same old also. But that's not a bad thing when it's done right. I'm Christina. I'm also the Mobile Home Mama on YouTube. Well, you know that if you're watching. And I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes. Hey, come out and visit. I'll put you in a real nice hotel, no charge, and show you around the place. See you real soon.